So first thing you gotta do is you gotta find a stick. Then you gotta go to a muddy puddle and you gotta bless the stick. So you gotta get mud all over it, okay? And then get mud on your trousers, but that's okay. Just keep striding forward. You'll be alright. Then you gotta go find a tree and you gotta hit it a couple times. Extra blessings, you know? And then if you're really feeling fancy, you can try and hit a tree and completely miss, and then try a couple more times and then just move on because you're embarrassed. Then you gotta go find the pond. You gotta get lost. That's important. That's one of the most crucial steps. So yeah. But you know what? It's okay because you found the river. Bless the stick. Keep walking. Encounter a blockage in your pathway, but you know what? It's okay because you have your stick. Use the stick to aid your overcomingness from the blockage. Think about how much better that stick would have been, but move on because it's not important. Appreciate the suspended tree branch. Appreciate the horses, but continue your journey. Bless the stick some more. Whack some, was it like thistles, thorn shit? Bless the stick again. Bless the stick some more. I want to go over there. It's fucking muddy. I've got my fucking trousers on. It's fine. I'm just gonna keep going. Bless it. Bless it. Do I even need to say bless it? Just, you know. You found it. Run to it. And I mean, you know what to do. You bless it. Double dip it. Make sure that you have all your rings still on because, you know, I mean, who doesn't wear rings in the forest, you know? I mean, like weirdos do that. This is whatever. Appreciate the giant trees above you, but they're actually, like, tiny. Wonder if fields are man-made. That's definitely man-made. Appreciate the sun. Don't appreciate the helicopter, though. Get lost. But then remember where you are, and so you walk with confidence. Say goodbye to your stick. Go hug a tree to feel better, maybe. But, you know, whatever. I guess you just get in your car and go home now. Stick. Yeah, stick. You're my best friend. Best friend, yeah. Stick. Yeah.